before we get to work. We need to clear some of these areas. Just need to go back. So it's cleaned up. Yep, the day's the day. Essence is gonna be, little Deuce gonna be gone.
I got to say goodbye to my baby.
Yep. We're gonna be doing the next one. Just gonna do this one.
Take big ones.
So little Willie was riding. I'm looking to check my transmission. And I'm checking my engine block. Seems like my engine locked up or blowed. And so we don't know if this is looking good. This is not looking too good so far. But we're gonna get into it and see where we at. Oh yeah, the double trouble duo. We got Lil Willie, stunt. Got that new grip tape on him today. Both new grip tape out. Jet pipe. Yeah.
Hi guys.
I'm not gonna beat you. I'll try you for it. We do like short runs.
Short
We're gonna do torque. Gonna do short. We gotta drag some. So like you got short runs versus long runs.
Long runs, short runs, big runs, straight runs.
Quarter mile, eighth to quarter mile.
Round and round, bigger eights and all that good shit.
Scratches and drop backs. Combos.
Combo.
Oh, for that one thing, it's another, y'all. Lil Willie ass has gone flat. Oh no, what was I did? There's always one thing, there's another one. Stuff's down here. Everything running good on this one, running strong. We raced earlier. Like I said, I can't fuck with her. It's all good. Go home and get more line, that's all. Swap him out, that's all. What? All here unloading them. Oh, you see it? Back in the shop. Time to put the new inner tube and tire on there. Got to do some electrical work, make sure my kill switches, my lights. Just getting the bike service for the stunt show. Going through my brakes. Going through the engine again. Brake levers. I might put another coat of white paint on there, do a little touch up. But then I was thinking about still building that one right there. My little Bumblebee. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking about. But I'm also going to take him out of retirement. Oh yeah. I'm about to bring that one down. We get this one back and going. And we're gonna be throwing these things up like we should now. Up, boy. Oh, you see it. And then we got another one we're working on out here. It's another one I'm working and building up. Just primed down. Nothing too major. Just a quick prime. It runs. I turned it over. And then I'm working on my other stunt scooter right here. Gotta put the new handlebar, throttle cable. I got a stunt today. It's my vehicle today. Then another throttle cable, service. Yeah. Then we got another one right here. We already got the red and black. What color you think I should paint this one? I don't know yet. And then I got the brake. We're gonna fix Baby Joker. We're gonna sell out one today in a few for another dirt bike. You know what's going on this one. This is another one Charles about to come pick up for Lil Levi. 110 rocket engine. Pretty nice. We ain't been back at the shop in a minute. We just getting it back together right now. So stay tuned. Go strip Lil Willie down. And we'll be back soon. So now that I got them all stripped and taken apart, we're gonna remove the gas tank. Clutch looks good. Cleaned it up. Transmission is good. Gonna pull a new back tire. We're gonna do the kill switch, new throttle cable. We should be doing some numbers next.